Intro. Welcome to our channel. In today's exciting video, we're going to show you how to create your very own natural hair growth oil using ingredients that are easily available in your kitchen. We promise this hair growth oil will not only nourish your hair but also promote rapid and long-lasting growth. So, let's get started. Ingredients. To make this natural hair growth oil, you'll need the following ingredients. 1. Extra virgin olive oil, a key component that will nourish and moisturize your hair. 2. Lemon essential oil, packed with vitamin C and citrus properties. It will promote hair growth and reduce breakage. 3. Rosemary essential oil, known for its stimulating properties. It will encourage healthy hair growth. 4. Lavender essential oil, with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It will help soothe the scalp and promote hair growth. Composition. Here's the breakdown of the ingredients we'll be using. Extra virgin olive oil, nourishing and moisturizing. Lemon essential oil, vitamin C and citrus properties, promoting hair growth. Rosemary essential oil, stimulating properties, encouraging healthy hair growth. Lavender essential oil, anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, soothing the scalp. Method. Here's how to make the natural hair growth oil. 1. In a heat-safe glass jar, add 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. 2. Add 2 tablespoons of lemon essential oil. 3. Add 2 tablespoons of rosemary essential oil. 4. Add 2 tablespoons of lavender essential oil. 5. Use a dropper to add in the required amount of each essential oil, ensuring you mix well the ingredients. 6. Seal the jar with a tight lid and shake well to ensure the oils are well combined. Care. Now that you have your natural hair growth oil, follow these simple steps for regular use. 1. Massage 2 to 3 drops of the oil into your scalp, focusing on the crown of your head. 2. Braid or wrap your hair to ensure the oil stays in contact with your scalp. 3. Allow the oil to sit for 30 minutes to an hour, and then rinse off with lukewarm water. Closing. And there you have it, a simple and effective natural hair growth oil recipe that you can create at home in just 5 minutes. Remember to always patch test the oil on your forearm before applying it to your scalp. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting and informative content.